Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Medium. This moment I would like to continue my project. This is project number 44C. Why user profile? This is the question. Before we are going to coding, this question same with what page do we go after login? Yeah, for example, if I want login to this application, for example, my username this one, and also this is my profile, C profile, page P00. This profile is admin user. It means if I make login this, after that I become admin user. Maybe admin user so many menu in this admin user. If someone login, for example, use this username, and then his profile is P01. This is ordinary user. So after this one make a login, so he is go to menu ordinary user. Maybe the user, the menu user, ordinary user, less than if someone has menu admin user. Okay, this is what we are going to do. But if we check the previous project, login without user profile, just if we have login fail or login success. Okay, now we want to expand from this previous project to this project. Okay, previous project 44B, but now 44C, this one. Okay, how to do that? Okay, this is the front end in Flutter. Yeah, if we before we make this Flutter go to the login fail page or to login success page, so the script will analyze what is return result. Return result is response from the backend. Okay, this one. We can see where is the front end and the back end. This one maybe. Okay, moment. Okay, this one. This is the backend script. This is the front end script. Yeah. After we login, and then this file will run and send this result from the back end to the front end. So on the front end, we make analyze. This is the result. Yeah. If we run this backend, and then we make analyze to this one. We analyze what is the C profile, and this one, where is C? This one, C profile. For example, this one P-00. Okay, if we have the profile v00 and then run this script, go to the menu 00. Okay. Now we make, before we continue, now we make a presentation and then we go to the develop the script. Okay, this is the previous project. We try to this one. This is the login page. We click here. Why too long? Okay, this is the login page. Okay, we see this one. We make login this. The result is login fail or login success. Okay, now we try to make a login success like this. Okay, this is the password. Password, where is it? Okay, just this password, clear text. We see the clear text, but on this project we have make encryption. Okay, we can see this one. Where is it? Okay, this is. We send the password this one, make encryption like this. Okay, we have mentioned this and we have developed this the previous project. Okay, we send this. See this one, login. Login success, welcome. This is your user login. This is your name. Okay, we can see this one. Okay, see this. This is your user login. Where is your name? This is your name. Like this. Name Johnny, username this one. Okay. If your login is wrong, for example, we make this the same. Okay, your password is wrong. Maybe you make this your password, but if you see this one, this, yeah. Okay, I cannot show your password this one. Okay, but we try this. This is the wrong password. Okay, try to connect this. Okay, login fail. Please try again. Okay, now how to develop the script we use the user profile. Okay, after login we must analyze this one. Yeah. Analyze this. So you see this, I have make a menu, this one, menu 00, menu profile 00, menu profile 01, but we have focus to this script login. Okay, see this one, this is a login fail. Go to the login fail. Login fail, this one. If login fail, go to this page. Yeah. Okay. Now if okay, make this one. Okay, if this one login fail, go to this one, the button one. Okay, but if login success, where is it? Not fail, this one. Yeah. If login not fail, go to this one. It means not fail. Same with login success, this one. Okay, if login success, we want to analyze what is the C profile. After we know the C profile, this one, we know where, like this, what page do we go after login? Maybe to main page or main profile or main menu or maybe main division A, division B, or something like that. So now we want to analyze first. Okay. This one. Okay, analyze this. So now we want to analyze first what is the C profile. Okay, if this one return back, where is it return back? This is the return result, return back. Yeah. Okay. Now if copy this, same like this, return result, copy. Okay. If return result, okay, 0, C profile equals P 00, this one, okay, this one, okay, now we put here print, go to menu page 00. We can see the print on the debug console. Okay. And else, if page 01, go to this one. Okay. Please make a print first. Page 01. No, 01. And then maybe we make else this one. It's okay. else. Print page this one. You can expand this depend on your profile. Maybe you have more than 2 menu or 2 division, depend on your project, like this. This one, go after login, go to menu page 00. If your C profile V00, but if your login has P01, you will go to this page. Okay? Now we continue. Okay, we try this. Yeah. See on this debug console. Okay. Now we try go to login, for example. Okay, please see this one. This username has C profile page 00. So after login, page 00, we can see, go to menu page 00, we can see this one. Okay, login first, see this one, see this. Go to menu 00. Okay, if we log into this page C profile dash 01. Okay, we try. This is the username. Okay, this is the password. Okay. After login, we must this if 0 page dash 01, we can see on the debug console, go to menu page 01. Okay, we can see this one, login first, see this one. Okay, you see, go to menu 01. Okay, that's all. Now we want to make the page 01, 02. Okay, we can make this one. Okay, if we want to go to the page, this is the script. Okay, copy. If we want to go to this 00, okay, see, this is page 00, main menu, this one. Okay, copy this class name, copy, see to this one. Okay, and if C profile 01, oh sorry, this is, where is it? Okay, this one, copy, this 01. Okay. Okay, if we try to this two page, this menu profile, we can see this one, we have menu profile. We can see this. Okay, now we try. Okay, you see this one? After we log in, if my profile is 00, this one, so this script will navigate to the menu profile 00. See this one, after we make a login, this one. Login success. Oh, if we make this, we must clear first, because the script remember the last one or before one, not load the new one. So because of that, we must make a clean first. This clean. Okay, moment please. Stop first this process. Oh, why? Okay, clean. And after that, we make moment please. After we make clean this. Okay, now we pub get the package from the Flutter server. After that, we run, and then we make a demo project again. Okay, now we run this one. Run, start debugging. Okay, debugging session will start. This take about 1 minute. After that, we make a login. If we login, become admin user, profile 00. So after that, we go to profile 00. If we login with this username, this is a profile P-01. So after we login, the script will navigate to this one, page P-01. Okay, now we can wait after this process finish. Okay, this one same with the previous project. Yeah, this is the after we send the file backend from this front end. So run the script on the backend, and the result will return back to the Flutter. This is the return back, and then we make analyze about the C profile. What is the C profile of the username? If C profile P-00, so the script will navigate to the page 00. If the C profile page P-01, so the script will navigate go to the page 01. Okay, moment please. Okay, not finished yet. We wait. Okay. Why this too long? Maybe we Yeah, usually this take 1 minute. If more than 1 minute, maybe we can restart again this project. Okay, what is that? Stop. Oh, what happened here? Okay. Start again. Okay, moment please. Maybe there is something wrong about my running the script, and then we restart again. Okay, Flutter launching. Okay, while this process is running, I want to make explanation to you. After we run this and then we can see the result, we try login with the profile 00, and then also we try login with profile 01, and also we try to login by using the wrong username, and then we must go, this is the wrong username or login fail, this is login to menu page 00, and this one login to page 01. Okay, so we see this. Oh, this is take a long time. Maybe the internet speed now not to fit. Why this process take a long time? Usually this process just 1 minute. Okay, never mind. Okay, this process maybe take a few seconds. We can see this the result, and then we make a login, see the result. Okay. The first one, we make this if we have this one. See this. If return result equals fail, fail comes from the backend. This is the script, the backend script, this one, fail. Okay. If running the script, so the result is fail, so we receive the fail, this one. So after that, we can see the on the back console, go to fail page, and after that, the script will navigate to the page login fail. Okay. Okay, we try first with the login fail, this one. Return result is come from the JSON decode. This is return back from the backend, this one. You can see this. Return back from the backend, from the PHP back to the Flutter, and then make analyze this one. Okay, now we want to click login page. Okay, after that we make the wrong login, ya. We can see the sprint on the debug console, and also after that the script will navigate to the login fail. Okay. This is the wrong password. Okay. Now we can see the script will navigate to the login fail page. This one. Okay. Now we log in. Please see this one, login fail. And then we can see the sprint go to fail page. See this one, go to fail page. Okay. Okay, this is the first one. If we make a false, now we make a login, the correct login by using the first one, this one. cProfile P-00. Okay, now this is the correct password. Click here. Oh, why? Login success. But we want, after the login success, moment please, where is it? Not fail, this one. Okay, this is the preference, and also if, okay, this one. Oh, we don't need this one because this one we have changed to this. Yeah, if the cProfile P00, the script will navigate to the profile menu profile 00. Okay, we can try again this. Okay, now we try to this. See on the screen. Menu profile 00. Menu profile 00, this is preference, this is my name. Because after we login, the preference work, we tell us the who is the login name and also who is the username. Okay, because I have login by using this username, but with the cProfile page 00. So this 00. If we want to make a login with page 01, okay, we try this. This is the username. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this one, the username. This is the password. Oh. After that, this the script will navigate to the page 01. Okay, now we try login. Menu profile 01. This is the username. This is the name Johnny. This one. Okay. Okay, now we have finished how to develop the user profile. Why user profile? Because we want on one project, maybe someone profile become admin user or ordinary user, or someone go to the maybe IT department or finance department and so on. We don't need so many projects. We don't need more than one project. Just we want to have just one project, but this project will make some function to many user. Okay. Now after that we make this one. Okay, this one success. Okay, now we want to this user profile. Okay, user profile icon, this one. Okay, we can see this icon, user profile icon. How to do that? Okay, this one. Just make action this on the application bar. Okay, we can see this one. Where is it? Menu profile 00. Okay, we see the application bar. Where is it? Application bar. Where is it? Menu. Okay, this one. Menu 00. This is the application bar. App bar. Okay, this is the icon. This one. Okay. Moment please. There is a message. Moment, I answer this message. Okay, so you can see this. If you are Mr. Johnny, click here. So this is Mr. Johnny. You can modify your profile this one. Okay, maybe next time this is we can tell to you, say to you what is the function this one. Maybe if you want to make a reset password, change your maybe your phone number and so on. Okay, now if this is the journey, if you log in, the other one, okay, for example, this one. Okay, Mr. Medium. If we click here, we have a detail about Mr. Medium, this one. Wait, where is it? Why Mr. John is here? Mr. Medium. Okay, profile, we can see this. Maybe make clean first. Pubget. Okay, start debugging. Okay, moment please. Okay, moment please. After that, we see this profile. Where is the profile name? Profile, this one, profile PHP. You can see this profile PHP. Oh, this one. Okay, we can not make hard code here. This is just a trial. If we want to make like browsing here, okay, you must make a hard code here. But if you want to make a run from the Flutter mobile application, you must change the hard code to the parameter. Okay, maybe one. Why this take a long time, this? How about still run, yeah. How about if I log in this? Before they said, okay, this is a Mr. Medium. If we click here, okay, correct. Okay, guys, I think it's enough. Before we close this project, I want to make an explanation to you. Okay, moment, where is the pointer? Okay, this is why user profile, yeah, because we want to know if after login, what page do we go after login. Maybe your Flutter go, your script make a direction or navigate to the menu page 0000, P01, and so on. Okay. And then this is the previous project, login without username. Just login fail or login success. This is the preference. Who is the login name and who is the username login. Okay, next, this is the backend script. This is the front end. Okay, if the return back the fail, okay, fail will receive on the front end, and if the return result not fail, so not fail, the backend send the result like this to the front end. On the front end, make analyze. If we want to make a profile, what is the profile like this? Okay, if you don't use the profile, it's okay. But the previous project you has the preference. who is the login name, like this. You make analyze, or you receive, or you make a filter to know what is the name login. Okay. Next, this is this project. This is if the login fail, is a menu 00, this is a menu 01. Okay, same I have mentioned this one before. And also this user icon, okay. We click here user icon and then go to the page of profile. So we make a detail what is your username, your name, birthday, flagging, see profile, maybe this one, email, and so on. Okay, and then if you want to make an update, maybe your birthday or your username, just change this and then update this, send to the server. Well, okay, this is the how to make icon. This one, just the script add to this application bar like this. Okay, and then if we click here and then go to the next page, make this function to show this one, the name, username, birthday, flagging, see profile, and also email, and so on. Okay, this is, we have what number this one? profile icon, number 6 and 7. We have the flop, or we have explained to you from number 1 to number 7. Next, we can make so many module here. Okay, this module, please read carefully. This production project must have this module. Yeah, simple but very common and important. So don't forget, use this module to your project, because this module is very common and important. Okay, thank you guys. If you have something today and you a new subscriber, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. See you next time. Bye bye.